Hello, hearty greetings to all. This is Rajan Nanamulla, Senior Faculty of English. So today I am going to discuss a grammar topic that is helping verbs. Friends, do you know how many helping verbs are there in English? So there are 24 helping verbs in English. These helping verbs can be called as auxiliary verbs also. How many auxiliary verbs are helping verbs are there in English? There are 24 helping verbs in English in four forms. These 24 helping verbs are existed in four forms. Now let us see what are the four forms. So the four forms are be forms, do forms, have forms, and model forms. First let us see be forms. What are called be forms? See, so these are be forms. Be forms. Am, is, are, was, were. So am is are present singular. Present singular am is. Past singular was. Present plural are. Past plural were. So why do we use these helping verbs? When do we use these helping verbs? So am. Am is used only with the pronoun I in present simple tense to talk about a state or action. So am is used with only I, pronoun I in present simple tense. Then why do we use it? What does it indicate? So it's used in it is used to denote a present state or action. In present simple tense, uh, in present simple tense it is used, and in present continuous tense also it is used. In present simple tense, we use am to talk about a state. In present continuous tense, we use it to talk about an action. See here, I am happy. This is state. Understand? So state of being. I am happy. Next, why do we use is? Is used with a singular subject. If the subject is singular, we use is. If the subject is I, we use am. Understand? So is singular state or action. So why do we use is? To talk about a state or action. Understand? So uh, then what is was? So the past form of am is was. Present singular am. Present present singular am is. Be form past singular was. Be form present singular am is. Past singular was. Be form present plural are. Past plural were. See here some examples are there. Are. It is used to talk about a status. Status or state or action also. Plural action. Example, they are playing. They are playing. They are students. State also. Was. Past singular, just now we have discussed here. Were. Past plural. So were is used as the plural form of this are. So these five are be forms. Am is, are, was, were. Am is present be form present singular am is, past singular was. Be form present plural are, past plural were. So especially these be forms are used to talk about state. In continuous tenses, they talk about action. In present tense, they talk about present or past. The present simple and past simple, they are used to talk about status or state. Understand? So now the next form of the helping verb is do forms. How many do forms are there? Three do forms are there. Does, do, did. Present singular does, present plural do. Past singular and plural did only. Present singular does, present plural do. Past singular and plural did. So these are the do forms. So why do we use these do forms? So these are used in interrogative sentences. Do forms. Almost all the helping verbs are used in interrogative sentences. Most of the sentences begin with helping verbs only. Understand? Most of the interrogative sentences begin with helping verbs only. Understand? If any sentence begins with these helping verbs, we have to understand that that is an interrogative sentence. That's a question. So do. Question, emphasis. Example, do you play? Do you play? This is a question or interrogative sentence. Does, singular. Question, does he walk? Did. Past. See, did she walk or did she finish? Did she go? Like that. So these three are do forms. Here mainly we are focusing on be forms, do forms, all helping verbs especially. 24 helping verbs existed in four forms. Be form, do form. So now second one is do form is over. Let's move to third one, that is have form. How many have forms are there? Three have forms. Present sim. Have form present singular has, present plural have. Past singular and plural had. Why do we use these? So this has or have are used to indicate possessiveness in the present tense. This had is used possessiveness in the past tense, and moreover, these are used in perfect tenses also. In present simple and past simple to indicate possessiveness, and in perfect tenses also these are used. Understand? Present perfect tense, past perfect tense. So I have eaten, hmm? Singular. She has gone. Past perfect, they had left. So these are called have forms, and these are their uses. Next, the last form of the helping verb is modal form. So, how many models are there? See, shall. So, shall, should, shall. These all are used in future or present. This side, left side, right side, we use in past. These are used as the past tense of this. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might. So why do we use shall to indicate a future tense? Shall and will are used to indicate future tense. Can, can is used to talk about present ability. Present ability. And uh, to take formation in an informal way, we use can. And may. Why do we use may? May is used to talk about possibility and to take formation in a formal way. Next, then what about should? Should is used to uh, should is used to give suggestions, give suggestion or advice. Would, why do we use would? So would is also would makes polite statements, and proposals also sometimes. So could, why do we use could? Could is used as the past tense of can. So could is used to talk about past ability, and to make polite request also we use could. Understand? So could you give me your bicycle, please? Polite request. He could he could carry that weight if he was given a chance. Next, might. Might is used to talk about past ability. Past ability. So this is about shall, should, will, would, can, could, and may, might. And a few more model forms are there. So must, need, dare, use it to, ought to. Why do we use must? Must is used for compulsion or insistence. So you must go. You must go. అంటే నువ్వు కంపల్సరీ పోవాల్సింది. You must go. Need. So you need and do it. You need to do it like that. So dare. You dare not go there. You dare do it. You dare not go there. So use it to. So this is very, very important one. So leave this dare I need. They are not used that much, but must is used for compulsion and insistence, and use it is used to talk about past habits or past habit. I used to walk 2 kilometers for a day last year. So past habits. So ought to is used to talk about moral responsibility. You ought to respect your parents. You ought to obey your teachers. So like this. Next, subordinate B forms are there. Including the subordinate B forms, total helping verbs are 27. Why do we use these subordinate B forms? So this B. So sometimes in the bracket this B is given. You are asked to write the suitable B form. Then what do you write? Am, is, was, were. Am, is, was, were. Either in anyone you have to write. Next time, being. So this be is used in future. When future simple is changed into passive voice also, we use this in the passive voice. Being also used in when you change present continuous tense into present continuous or past continuous into passive voice. This being is used. Been, if when you change perfect tenses into passive voice, this been is used. And one more thing you have to remember: am, is, or other. Am, past, am, present form, past form was, present participle being, past participle being. So these are used as present participle and past participle of be forms also. These two. So this is about helping verbs today's class. So please keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe. So, and please like, share, and comment so that I can get encouragement to do more videos, which are very useful for students, teachers, and competitive examination aspirants. So, bye.